Hello and welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. My name is Zeeshan and I'm a team lead here at OnceHub. And today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up password policies for your OnceHub account. This is really useful if you want to make sure everyone on your team is using strong, secure passwords and keeping your OnceHub account safe. So let's quickly jump in and see how to set up password policies. It is important to note that password policies affect all users who sign in using an email and a password. Users who sign in with Google or Microsoft IDs are not affected by these policies. Their passwords are managed by Google or Microsoft itself. So let's quickly see how to set up password policies in your OneSub account. Simply log into your OneSub account. Once you log in, you'll be taken to the home page. Click on the gear icon from the top right and select security, and you would instantly be taken to the password policies section. Again, when you go to this section, it's mentioned in the top that this only affects users who signed in using email and a password. So you can set requirements like minimum password length, whether special characters or numbers are needed, and how often passwords must be updated. For example, you might require passwords to be at least 12 characters long and include a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. You can also enforce password expiration so that team members update their passwords regularly. So let's quickly change some settings under the password policies and just hit save. And that's it. Setting up password policies is quick, easy, and adds in an important layer of security for your team and your client's data. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.